Hey everyone, Andrew here with PitchHub, and I wanted to quickly introduce you to PitchHub's Teleprompter Speed Up. And more importantly, how to use it the right way. I'll start with this. In my many years of experience, especially using teleprompters and recording videos, I've learned something the hard way. If you give me a script and expect me to memorize it, it's not going to happen. I can't memorize anything. Turn that record button on, I forget my name. So teleprompters are really helpful, and they're really helpful to speed up that recording process. So in using them, here's the key part that most people miss. Before you even think about speed, you need to read your script out loud, not once, twice, 3 times or more. Get familiar with the words, understand the flow, and where you want to emphasize something, where you want to pause, and where you want to be more conversational. The goal is not to talk slowly. The goal is really to emphasize what matters in the script and what keeps your audience engaged. Once you've done that, you can use the speed test app to figure out your natural pace. Let's say you come in around 150 words per minute. In PitchHub, that might translate to 5.2 in our scale. Here's my advice. Don't set it to 5.2, dial it back maybe to like 4.6. That small adjustment gives you a little bit of breathing room. You won't feel rushed and be more confident and more natural and in control of your message. So remember, read it out loud, find your natural speed, slow it down a bit, let the message land. And that's how you get the most out of PitchHub's teleprompter and how to use the speed app. Thanks for watching.